Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best expandable dining room tables on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Signature Design by Ashley Expandable Dining Room Table. The Signature Design by Ashley Expandable Dining Room Table is an excellent addition to any home. Its inlaid veneer tabletop, supported by a 4-post trestle base, creates a beautiful craftsman-style design. This table's generous size means it can seat up to 8 comfortably, and the 2 extension leaves allow for extra space when unexpected guests drop by. Assembly of this table is required, and it includes easy-to-follow instructions and hardware. You can purchase this table in several colors: dark brown, light brown, rustic brown, and white brown. All of the colors are exceptional and will fit perfectly in your space. What we like about it: beautiful and superb craftsmanship. Sturdy leg design. What we don't like about it: needs better coating. Number 2. Walker Edison Expandable Dining Room Table. The Walker Edison Expandable Dining Room Table perfectly blends style and functionality. This beautiful dining table comfortably seats 8 people when fully extended. Its hidden center leaf allows you to adjust the seating capacity easily. Made from solid wood and featuring an antique black finish, this table will bring a timeless charm to any dining space. It is strong enough to endure everyday use. Its size allows the table to fit most dining areas easily. You can pair it with matching chairs and a bench for a complete set that fits your style. Every dining room needs a quality table. What we like about it: first-grade materials, exclusive shape and design. It can comfortably fit 8 people. What we don't like about it: hard to clean. Number 3. Signature Design by Ashley French Expandable Dining Room Table. Next up on our list is another dining room table presented by Signature Design by Ashley. It has veneers and engineered wood, which will impress your guests with its classic looks. The top of the table has a natural oak tone, which perfectly complements the chic chipped white finish. It creates an elegant French country vibe that is sure to turn heads. Plus, it has a handy drop-in leaf that quickly and easily extends the table to accommodate more people. It can comfortably seat up to 6 people when fully extended. It is easy to assemble, and all necessary hardware and instructions are in the package. Not only does this table look amazing, but it also comes with several practical features. What we like about it: made of quality wood, designed with an extension leaf, easy assembly process. What we don't like about it: difficult to move around. Number 4. Mobile Expandable Dining Room Table. The Mobile Expandable Dining Room Table is a remarkable Italian piece of furniture offering premium features and convenience to please even the most discerning consumers. This table has high-quality melamine and a galvanized metal extension mechanism built to last while providing great style and functionality. The table's extendable design is incredibly convenient and easy to use. You can extend 2 extra legs to seat up to 10 people. Setup is straightforward, and you can do it in about an hour for 2 people, with hardware and instructions in the package. What we like about it: quick and easy to extend. It contains all the necessary hardware. What we don't like about it: it shows print marks when touching the table. Number 5. Inspire Studio Expandable Dining Room Table. The Inspire Studio Expandable Dining Room Table is a fantastic addition to any contemporary dining space. Its overall size provides ample room for entertaining guests or enjoying a family meal. Ideal for small dining rooms with little space, this pedestal table is an absolute highlight due to its beautiful and eye-catching color palette. It comfortably seats up to 6 people, making it perfect for intimate dinners and larger gatherings of friends and family. What we like about it: high-gloss color and design. Ideal for a small dining room, up to 6 people. What we don't like about it: assembly is time-consuming. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.